half throttle. Slight bit of vibration on the tail. That's more of just the tail blades. I never bounced off the tail blade, so I'm gonna just fly it the way it is. Do a little bit of nose in. Good thing it's not too windy today. Just take it easy, get more of a feel for this helicopter. Just one thing I noticed with this one, it flies pretty stable, actually really stable with this Walkera receiver on there. Right now I'm still normal mode to try to get a little bit of slow floor flight. Take things nice and easy. Tracks pretty well, or pretty good. Pretty much you point it and it goes. No pitch ups, no nothing yet. Alright, I know you guys are getting bored of me just hovering around. Let me put it up into idle up mode. Alright, there we go. Let me flip the switch. Idle up mode. So you guys do a little bit of pitch pump. Tail holds on pretty well. Get a nice flip right here. Very smooth. Not bad for a Walkera flybarless unit. Let me do a climb out inverted. You guys can see tons of power on the stock motor. Just do some light stuff right here. Just gonna keep it a little high, don't want to get too low yet. Just want to get more of a feel for this new helicopter. And just a tip for some of you guys out there too, if you guys are just starting off how to fly, you know, just keep things nice and high on the first few flights until you get the feel of the helicopter. You know what, let's try to do some faster, tighter tic-tocs. See how it handles. Get a nice, comfortable distance. You guys can see the flybarless system does a really good job. Very stable. A little bit of bobble, but I think that's just the battery. My head speed's a little low in idle 1 right now, or stunt mode 1. So the head speed is not rocket high, just keep it nice and low, just for a little bit of sports flying. All right, let's land this bad boy right here and get the second battery in. Take it off of idle up mode. All right, guys, you just saw the first part